Now the world turns and progress goes on, change is inevitable, so you might as well accept it and get on with it. And it doesn't stop in the gardening world either. Me and my neighbours and my friends, and when I worked down on the allotment, used to buy Maxi plugs like this, and we used to buy them as a group, and we'd all share in the benefits of actually not having to pot things on from seeds and all the trouble you've got doing that. So that we end up with these Maxi plugs. That's what they used to call them. Marvellous. We used to think this was great. And if you share them out with your neighbours and your friends, I mean, it makes it really cheap. They come in trays of about 66 and they're absolutely wonderful. But the world turns. Garden ready. These are what these are, garden ready. They're beautiful. They're lovely things, they really are. But like the name says, they're ready to go straight out. You can put that straight out in the garden. You don't even have the trouble of the Maxi plugs. There's always a little side action going on to this, isn't there? So you've got those in 66 and they're probably half the price of these, but you've got to spend the time potting these on, growing them on. Still work perfectly well, I've done it for years. Or you can do these garden ready ones. I'm quite happy to accept change and I know which I'm going for, but the choice is there, it's for you. You can either go for the Maxi plugs, 6 to 8 centimetre in length, 2.2 diameter Maxi plug, or the garden ready one, 10 to 15 centimetres in height, 5 centimetres wide. The choice is yours. They're all beautiful. Which one to go for? I think I better have a cup of tea and think about it.